And multiplying powers of the same base, and I'm going to show you how to get the rules. It's because if you know how to get the rules, it reduces the amount of memorizing that you have because you understand it. So if I've got 2 cubed, that's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that means I have 2 as my base, because I've got this multiplication sign in the middle here, and my power is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 2's. So 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So if we look at the next one, 3 squared is 3 times 3 times, and then we have 3 to the power of 5. So I can rewrite that as 3 to the 7. Okay, on my calculator, 3 to the power of 7 is 2187. If I have the next one, I have 4 squared, it's just 4 times 4. 4 to the power of 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have another 4. So that's essentially 4 times 8. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 4s. 4 to the power of 8. If you just go to your calculator, is 65536. So hopefully you can see where that rule is coming from, because that 2 and that 5, and we have 7. Here we have 2, 5 and a 1 there that we don't write. And then we have the 8. So 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8. Come back to the first one, 3 plus 4 is 7. So if I have a to the m times a to the n, it's a to the m plus n. I can just add the powers. But I have to remember that the powers must have the same base to use the rule. I can't go a squared times b cubed, for example, because they're different bases. And the reason for that is how I've just shown you the long way. So if we do some examples, a to the 4 times a cubed is a to the 4 plus 3 is a to the 7. A to the 4 times a to the b would be a, base is the same, to the b plus 4, or a to the 4 plus b. Doesn't matter which way I put it. My next one, I look at my numbers. I have 2 times 3 is 6. So just like you did in algebra, you have to collect like terms. So d to the 6 times d cubed is going to be d to the 6 plus 3. And then I have my g's. So it's g to the 2 plus 4. So my answer is 6, d, 6 plus 3 is 9, g, 2 plus 4 is 6. Next, the st are in brackets. So I can go st, because it's a group, it's together, to the 3 plus 5. So that's st is to the 8. All of it's to the power of 8. Okay, with the next one, we've got 4 times 3 times negative 2. We only have one negative, so I know my answer is going to be negative. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So just like in algebra, we collect like terms. So we look at our numbers first. H squared and h cubed is h to the negative 2 plus 3, because we're multiplying. And then I've got k's. K, 4 and 2, so I add them. So that gives me negative 24. H, negative 2 plus 1 is 1, so I don't need to put that power of 1. K, 4 plus 2 is 6.